In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own document using Docusign. Whether you're working from home or just trying to expedite your paperwork, electronic signatures can simplify your life. We're going to walk through this process in just a few easy steps, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for all your documentation needs. If you haven't already set this as one of your favorites in your web browser, now might be the time to do so. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you're going to want to look for the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will take you to the login screen. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up to proceed, but assuming you do, enter your credentials to access your Docusign dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This page is essentially your control center for managing agreements and accessing various features Docusign offers. Take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if this is your first time here. Next, look for the Agreements section. This will be your next step. When you click on Agreements, you're navigating to the section where all your documents will be housed. Think of it as a virtual filing cabinet for your important documents. On this page, you can view all past agreements, initiate new ones, and most importantly, sign documents. Now, let's get to the signing part. Locate the Sign button. This feature is straightforward but impactful. By clicking Sign, you initiate the process of electronically signing your document. Docusign will guide you through uploading your document, placing the signature fields where needed, and finalizing the signature. It's intuitive, but if at any point you feel uncertain, Docusign provides helpful tips and sometimes even a helpful step-by-step guide within the platform. By now, it's important to double check that your document is complete, with all the fields filled and details accurately entered, before proceeding to finalize your signature. Once you're satisfied, confirm the signature and follow the prompts to finish the signing process. And there you have it, you've successfully signed your own document on Docusign. This tool is not only versatile, but also saves you the hassle of having to print, sign, and scan paper documents. Electronic signatures have truly revolutionized how we manage paperwork, and Docusign makes it incredibly easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides to keep making your work processes more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.